Hey guys, welcome back to Azra and Afra in one land. Today we are going to make Jhumka earrings. So the materials are small canvas sheet, nose plier, pearls, fabric glue, jump rings, eye pins, Jhumka base, stone chain, ball chain, silk thread, kundan stones, flower caps and stud base. Follow the steps like shown. Wrap the silk thread. Wrap for 20 to 25 rounds. Cut the silk thread by holding it. Apply glue on both sides. One side should be long and the other side should be short. Let it dry for at least 2 minutes. Make another one at the same color and then make 2 oranges. Stick the silk thread into the Jhumka base on the short side. Let it dry for 5 minutes. To make the stud, follow the steps like shown. First, place the kundan stone and then apply glue over it. Now, stick the ball chain. At this stage, you have to roll it tightly as it easily comes out when it's not done in the right way. Now, cut off the excess ball chain. Apply glue aside it and stick the stone chain. Make the orange thread like this with the same wrapping method. Wrap the thread around the Jhumka like shown. Wrap it out with little gaps. Cut off excess thread and apply glue on it. You can also use eye pins for threading to make the wrap easier without using hands. Stick the orange thread like shown. Let it dry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wrap it and fill the color in the gaps. Apply glue on the Jhumka and stick the ball chain. Stick the ball chain tightly and firmly. Again, apply glue and stick the stone chain. Now, cut the stud into a round shape. Stick the stud like shown in the stud base. Let it dry for 2 minutes. Follow the steps like shown. Add 3 hangings or pearls in one jump ring. Now open the jump ring and attach it to the eye pin. Add pearls and go through the jhumka base. Add flower caps and pearls. Now turn the edges to round like shown. Place the stud in the jhumka. Now our jhumka is ready. Wow, it looks so wonderful and beautiful. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receiving notifications